Here we are, guys. Quick little bloody service on the Honda Donda. Hello. It is us, friends. When I say quick service, I mean not. Because we are replacing lower ball joints. That's gonna be fun. Serpentine belt, cabin filter, you know, the usual air filter, shenanigans, oil filter, bloody oil. And then, yeah, upper control arms as well. Can't wait, mate. It's gonna be fun. What better way to spend your long weekend than underneath a freaking automobile? So good. Right here, we got the best garage seat known to fucking man. Look at the swivel on that. Let's get it fucking happening, eh? One side done. One thing that's worth getting is a Ooga Dooga. So I found out what the noise was. It's a leaky CV boot. Thought it was a ball joint, but I mean the ball joints were rooted, but they're not good. Well, I'm hoping I can just repack it and just send it. Oh, I can tell it's gonna be a long weekend. It's gonna be a long weekend, boy. Time to Ooga Dooga the axle nut off.
7 hours later.
Knuckle is out. Gotta remove the upper control arm and then pull out the CV and then pull out the strut itself. Oh my God, this place is a mess. This place is a goddamn mess, boy. Finally got the old ball joint out. As you can see, she's kinda wonky with it. This, however, stiff as a goddamn board, boy. So yeah, that was a mission to get through. So I didn't want to buy a Honda ball joint separator tool, like a little adapter. So I got this kit, I don't know, got it online? Who cares, brother? I had to modify it, and by modify I mean shave the inside of the housing because it was too skinny. So, and the tolerance that I needed was like maybe like, goddamn boy, keep it down. Yeah, so the tolerance that I needed was literally like maybe a mil or so. So I just removed a little bit of material with the Dremel, the old trusty Dremel over there, and yeah, it just worked right as rain. So now I just got to press in this new one into its home, and I'll see how it bloody goes. That's hot. It's very hot. I knew it. Forever one. All goods doesn't work anyway. What a waste of time. Nice, my brother. Now it's fucking stuck. Fuck.
It is fucking stuck.
Time to bash the fuck out of it.
Like that. That's fucking. That's crazy.
I got it out, my brother. Think about Shit's Creek, no paddle here, buddy. Good, very nice.
Cocked it.
Oh dear, that's not strong enough to withstand the force. Oh no, I cocked it. I now have to unpress it again. I literally might have to order that. Well, all right, buddy, I can't fucking do shit now. I can't even get it over. Now, let's see how much it's gonna fucking. It's hard to find a fucking adapter for it. I can't even successfully push this out anymore.
1 week later.
So we switched to the old iPhone rig for a second because fuck setting up a camera. We pressed out a ball joint, and by we I mean he, and by he I mean we.
We.
It's out. Using this $4 Temu kit made out of chrome vanadium steel. There's now a ball joint in a hole. Super cool.
Great difficulty and many days in between the last video that I made. I mean, the last clip that I filmed. Yeah, we're able to get out the fucking ball joint. I just had to modify, where is it? Modify the original piece to accommodate the new ball joint. Whoa, dude!
Whoa, boy! Oh my god. Flawless.
Not always destructive.
Yeah, she's looking good on that. Yeah. She's looking crisp. Yeah. Oh, that grease, boy, I want to eat. No, don't eat that, boy. I need that. Thing to do. Yeah, I'll prove. Like nothing. Yeah, that's
So like my penis, but I can't get it up.
That's a good ball joint there, brother.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with it.
I forgot you could rotate the bench.
Okay, welcome back to the Honda. It has been almost exactly a week since we started. The ball joints are in, as you would have seen. Now it's the serpentine belt and this super clean, almost brand new engine, as you can see.
Don't poke fun at it, man. It's fine. It's the epitome of human.
Okay, so I got to film out of there. I forgot to film out of pure fear. We've done the serpentine belt now. It's all on there.
It's all nice and good.
Yeah. So now we'll just start putting arms back on and the CVs back on. And
Should we show them what we used?
yeah, the old 14 and
14 mil and 21 mil. Just used as a bit of leverage.
bit of cross force on it, but life is good.
Because I'm just cleaning up the CV gunk that my other boot spat out. That was my head, buddy.
Trying to get in there.
Just flicking around a little bit. And you see we've got the new Super Pro lowers. Very nice.
Very suave.
And then new uppers as well. New ball joints. All we need to do now is tie rod ends. It's got new sway bar links. Should be one of the tightest feeling Accord Euros. It's also an Audi.
Debating whether or not to. I was debating on whether or not to clean it, but I was like, should I even bother? I'll just wait until I get coilovers.
So old Jackie Boy has rebuilt the CV shaft. New grease, new boots, new clips, new hair. Yummy.
And probably other foreign objects in there as well.
It's speed juice. Yeah. That's all it is. Oh, how many nuts does a guy need?
I brought them up. That's going straight.
Oops, so close. That's an orange.
I needed to do both at the same time.
These four has an opposite, greater back and forth.
Fucking sick.
Laws of attraction. I'm attracted to you. You're attracted to me.
Whoa, buddy. Scratching up your fucking paint there.
Fuck.
You want me to kick it?
No.
It's like a portal to another world. I want to get your nut off the controller. Shut up.
Oh, it's so heavy to hold that up, bro. Just need a little bit of spit. All right.
Alright, alright, alright.
I did it.
We're so close to
Ladies and
completion.
gentlemen, I fucking did it.
Starting to look like a vehicle again.
I will put the safety belt on so we do not lose it again, brother. Look at that.
This motherfucker says safety bolt.
Safety nut is going to go back on so we do not lose it, brother. I have fucking fucked the thread.
Cross thread's a fucking tight thread, mate. Yeah, man. The reflection of the Audi looks like a complete Audi.
Remember, ladies and gentlemen, to always clean your knob, I mean your ABS sensor. Make sure you're always connected.
Nice and tight.
No, number 12. Instructions unclear. Got dick stuck in fan. Anything to take fucking nuts off.
Yeah, I'd rather die. But there was a period in time where we only had hand tools.
Rated sockets for impact jobs. Perfect.
See, this right here is a corner pin. I'm gonna put it, insert it into the hole.
In Australia, we call them split pins, but
Yeah.
this dude's trying to be American.
Ow.
Woo! A big chunky bolt. Very nice. Looks good to me.
Turn up the strut bolt. Finish tightening up this tie rod end. So fat. Love
Flawless.
BRZs. I re-inspect
This
it when your
motherfucker,
wheel
when we
falls
started,
off.
he's like, yeah, I'll probably torque everything to spec. And now that we're here, it's like,
Bless you, bitch.
God damn. Whoa.
Well, I have two on the other side.
Starting to look like a car again. Also, yes, you do have two on the other side. But yeah, ladies and gentle kings, short kings. Yeah, new lowers, CV rebuilt, new uppers, new ball joints, new balls, new sway bar links. So this side's pretty much back together. We'll go punch into the right side after this, maybe. Then all she needs is a service. We're leaving the handlebars and the bag of wrenches on top just for dampening. Should make it sound really good. Then we're going to put a piece of metal between the positive and negative and arc weld it together just for extra power. And yeah, pretty good.
Okay.
Look, mate, she is all back together. The final stepperoo, tightening these bad boys. Yippee! Right, now for the really hard stuff. Drain the oil, put new oil in with the drain plug still out, then realise you fucked it up, and then do it all again.
Yep.
What you doing under there, mate?
I'm doing things. What? So I'm gonna start ripping apart the block,
To replace the piston rings. you
piston
fried.
rings that I fried. Yeah, mate. I'm just gonna take that off, just a smidge.
Make sure you put your mouth under it.
I'm actually tightening it. I just realised that. Beautiful. Sir, may I have a rag?
No. Oh, fuck. Yeah.
Thank.
You're welcome. So while Jax fucks around underneath the vehicle, we're going to do the cabin filter. Hopefully me sitting in the car doesn't kill him. Fuck me. Oh, it's a cartridge. Cool. That's disgusting. Ew. Ew. That's never been changed once ever.
Looks like a fucking rat's nest, my guy.
That's yucky. Another super important part about cabin filters.
Lucky!
They have an airflow marker. What do you want?
Give it to me, bud. Thank you.
You're so welcome. Flawless installation, ignore that. Look how good that is. Crevice. Wanna fucking go in. Installed. Wonder if Jax put his oil filter on tight enough. I only needed 1 or 2 smacks to get it loose. So Jaxon is still balls deep, putting his new filter on. Tight as he can fucking get it. Professional funnel. The real one's over there, but it's all good. This guy's fucking...
So I should have...
whisper into the bottle. If it tastes good, we use it. This shit is delicious. It's better to be over full than empty, mate. Beautiful. Woo! Little job cut, but last thing you saw was us putting the oil cap back on, and by us I mean Jaxon. So it's fuck. The car has gone to Petters. It has failed spectacularly. Remember how Jaxon didn't do anything to spec? Yeah, well they mentioned that $203 later, and the car is now couple fails, couple suggested upgrades, concerns, bolts loose, tightened, but she's all back together. How does it feel?
Crisp, mate. It feels like I'm at the helm of a very speedy ship.
Excellent. Ooh, this dog's taking a shit. Excellent. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Next we will be doing the timing chain on the Audi, which is going to be a fucking nightmare. But yeah, that's how you don't do struts and stuff on a Honda. Thanks for watching Stealth Garage.